In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete duplicate transactions fast. QuickBooks Online tutorial. If you've ever noticed the same expense or deposit showing up twice, it can cause your balances and reports to be off. The fix is quick, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you can delete the duplicate without touching the correct entry. First, open your QuickBooks Online and go to the gear icon in the top right corner. That gear opens your main settings and tools. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is the list of all your bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers in your company file. Knowing which account contains the duplicate is important because each account has its own transaction register. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find the account that has the duplicate and click View Register. The register shows every transaction tied to that account, typically in date order. This is the best place to compare entries and confirm a duplicate. Look for two transactions with the same date, amount, vendor or payee, and memo. Duplicates often happen when a bank feed brings in a transaction and the same item was also entered manually, or when an import is done twice. Before you delete, take a second to confirm you're looking at the true duplicate and not the original. If you see status icons like R for reconciled or C for cleared, be cautious. Deleting a reconciled item can affect past reconciliation totals and reports. If you're unsure, note the details of the one you plan to remove so you have a reference. Now, click on the duplicate transaction to open its details and select Delete. QuickBooks will usually ask you to confirm. Accept the prompt, and the transaction is removed from the register. That's it. You've now cleaned up your books, and your balances should reflect the correct totals. After deleting, scan the register once more to make sure only one correct version remains. If the register doesn't refresh immediately, give it a quick reload. If you realize you removed the wrong entry, don't panic. Review your records and re-enter it as needed. You can also consult your accountant if you're working with reconciled periods. A quick tip to prevent duplicates going forward. Avoid entering transactions manually if your bank feed will bring them in. And be careful when importing data to not import the same file twice. Keeping a consistent workflow helps keep your register clean. That's all you need to do to delete duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online swiftly and safely. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy with these quick checks.